Barre Chords Hints. In the next lesson, you'll practice pressing down all 6 strings with your index finger. In the beginning, it's easy to accidentally mute some of the strings, and it might sound more or less like this. Here are a few hints that will help. Positioning your index finger close to the fret makes it easier to press down all strings, and the notes will ring out more clearly. Also, your finger should be more or less in line with the fret and not in an angle. Pressing down all 6 strings with your index finger is hard, so you'll need a little support from your thumb. Place your thumb on the back of the neck in line with your index finger and adjust its position until you get solid support to press the strings. Your thumb should not be wrapped around the neck, and it should not be too low like this. Try to place it in the middle of the neck, like this. Try to use the edge of your index finger to push down the strings. This area of the finger is harder, which also makes it easier to press down all the strings without muting them. So try to rotate your finger slightly. You should experiment a bit with this to find the position that works best for you. Perhaps it works better for you if you bend your finger slightly. Also, try to adjust your index finger up and down so you get the right pressure on all strings. In the beginning, you can place your middle finger on top of your index finger and press with both fingers to get some additional pressure. Tuck your elbow towards your body like this. This will make it easier for you to get your index finger into the correct position. To check if any strings are muted, pick each string one by one and make sure they ring out clearly. Mastering the bar chord shapes is all about practice, and anyone can learn them. It might feel impossible at times, but playing the lessons in Amped and remembering these hints, you'll get this right faster than you think. So practice often, but do take breaks when needed.